again, and I know you're all gonna hate me for that, but sorry, Royal Enfield, you suck. Good morning, good riders. It's been a while since I did a video while riding, so I did spend a couple of last weeks working in my office and making videos that were scripted. But I think since I'm going to work today and the weather is beautiful because summer is coming finally, I've realized that it is time to get back to this form of making videos while riding. And there's one thing I want to tell you about. Let me try to simulate and reproduce this situation right now. If you can please focus on my speedometer for a second, and I'm going to accelerate for a moment. Yeah. So let me do that one more time. Again, eyes on the speedometer. Oh yeah, so now you probably all noticed that the speedometer is not working correctly. Every time I add some gas, I twist the throttle, it actually loses the connection. I don't know what is happening inside. So this happened only like 2 or 3 days ago. I already raised a complaint to the dealership, and what they said is that they are going to pick up my motorcycle from Poznań and they are going to take it to Katowice, where they have all the tools necessary to work on that issue. And as you probably know, I also had other issues, mainly the one with the check engine light, which I don't know why it's not showing up right now, and it haven't been showing up for the last couple of weeks. So maybe this is kind of temperature, outside temperature related, because I've noticed that this happens mostly when there is around something between 6 and 10, 6 and 12 Celsius, and now it's not on. The other thing I have is also the squeaking brakes, and I actually did take time to take it apart, take out the braking pads and make a proper maintenance, cleaning and sanding them, and it was okay for about 50 kilometers. And after 50 kilometers all the squeaking is back, and the problem is annoying me again. So just a short video to show you what is going on. Now I have the speedometer issue. Come on, dude, are we going? If you're not, I'm going. That's fine. Thanks for the space. Yeah, thanks, man. Okay, there's a big truck coming in, so let me wait a little moment. So probably on this weekend, and it's Monday today, so in 5 days I'm going to take my bike to the dealership here in Poznań, to a showroom. Actually, this is not a proper dealership, and they are going to transport it to Katowice, and let's hope they are going to be able to fix all the issues I have. Now, maybe a word or two on the speedometer issue. I did check on the internet if someone had similar issues, similar problem with the speedometer, and it seems there are a lot of people who had exactly the same problem, right? So the speedometer seemed to work fine, but as soon as you add throttle, it just goes away, it just drops down, right? So let's do it again. Eyes on the speedometer. Oh, it works this time. Maybe the other revs, try a gear down. Yep. So not sure, maybe this has something to do with the voltage, maybe it has something to do with the with some kind of electronics inside the speedometer. Anyway, this needs to be fixed. So again, and I know you're all gonna hate me for that, but sorry, Royal Enfield, you suck.